Hi Seagull class! Today I'm going to show you how to use your knowledge of multiples and least common multiple to solve some riddles. The first riddle is, you're making cupcakes for a party. Every second cupcake you put sprinkles on, and every fourth cupcake you put icing on. What are the fewest number of cupcakes you'll need to make to get a cupcake that has both sprinkles and icing? Well, let's use our graph paper. At the top, I'm going to write cupcakes with sprinkles. And next to that, I'll write cupcakes with icing. Now I'll draw a line underneath both of these. And also a line going down the middle. I'll use the green colored pencil to represent cupcakes with sprinkles, and the blue colored pencil to represent cupcakes with icing. Let's get started. So imagine this is your pegboard. The first cupcake you make will not have sprinkles, but the second cupcake you make will. Then you would put down your paper strip. So the first cupcake you make would not have sprinkles, but the second cupcake you make will have sprinkles. So that's where you stop. Now it's time for the icing. The first cupcake you make will not have icing. The second cupcake you make will not have icing. The third cupcake you make will not have icing, but the fourth cupcake you make will have icing. And then you can put down your paper strip. So no icing, no icing, no icing, icing. Remember to start under the category that has the least amount. So next we'll go back to cupcakes with sprinkles. The third cupcake you make will not have sprinkles. The fourth cupcake you make will. So we'll put the paper strip down. And would you look at that? The first cupcake you make doesn't have either sprinkles or icing. The second cupcake you make has sprinkles but no icing. The third cupcake has no sprinkles and no icing. But the fourth cupcake you make has sprinkles and icing. So your answer is you need to make 4 cupcakes to get one with sprinkles and icing. And so you'll write your answer in a complete sentence underneath your work. You'll need to make 4 cupcakes to get one that has both sprinkles and icing. Which one would you rather have? The one with both? The one with sprinkles? The one with just, or the one with nothing? No sprinkles or icing? Okay, here's another problem, another riddle for us to solve. Hamza rides the bus every 2 days. This is imaginary, by the way. Maram rides the bus every 3 days. How many days go by before they get to ride the bus together? Well, we need to make our chart again. So on one side we have Hamza riding the bus. And on the other side we have Maram rides the bus. We draw a line underneath both, and then a line that goes down the center. Okay, I'll use the green pencil to keep track of how many days Hamza rides the bus, and I'll use the blue pencil to keep track of how many days Maram rides the bus. So let's get started with Hamza. The first day, he does not ride the bus, but the second day he does. And then we'll use our pencil to draw in the paper slip. And it's that paper strip that tells us that this one right above it was the day that Hamza rode. So let's get started with Maram's. On the first day, she does not ride the bus. The second day, she does not ride the bus. But the third day, Maram rides the bus. And then we'll draw the paper strip to show that it was this third day that she did ride the bus. Did Hamza or Maram ride the bus together yet? No, not yet. Whichever column is the shortest is the one who gets to go next. So Hamza's side gets to go next. The third day, Hamza did not ride the bus. The fourth day, Hamza did ride the bus. And I draw the paper strip to show that it's this day that Hamza rode the bus, the fourth day. Now Maram has the shorter column. So it's Maram's turn. The fourth day, Maram does not ride the bus. The fifth day, Maram does not ride the bus. The sixth day, Maram does ride the bus. So I'll draw the paper strip to show that this dot represents the day that Maram does ride the bus, on the sixth day. Now Hamza's column is the shortest, so it's Hamza's turn. On the fifth day, Hamza does not ride the bus. On the sixth day, Hamza does ride the bus. So we draw the paper strip underneath. And you know what? Our columns are equal now. On this day, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the sixth day, Hamza rides the bus and Maram rides the bus. It's not until the sixth day that they get to ride the bus at the same time. We'll write our answer in a complete sentence. Hamza and Maram ride the bus together on the sixth day. I have many more riddles just like these that you can solve by using your knowledge of multiples and how to find the lowest common multiple. You can do them on your own, or you can invite someone from our class to do it with you through Google Hangouts. I can't wait to hear about your answers.